A sound body and a sound mind makes a person healthy and wise. Welcome all of you for today's session. Today we are going to learn about the second part of our topic, physical fitness and wellness. It is rightly said, physical fitness and wellness are one's richest possession. They cannot be purchased, they have to be earned through a regular and systematic fitness program and positive lifestyle habits. We all know the importance and components of physical fitness. So let's know more about wellness.
Wellness is regarded as an important goal for which a person aims for or concentrates on and works hard to achieve wellness. So let's know the meaning of wellness. Wellness is a combination of physical, mental and social health and not mere absence of diseases. It is the overall well-being of an individual to help to live a happy and fullest life. So, wellness is a combination of physical and mental and social well-being and not mere absence of diseases. Being physically fit doesn't mean you will be healthy, or you don't have a disease means you are healthy. Mental state of an individual is also important. So, wellness is an overall well-being of an individual to live a happy and a fullest life. So, let's see about the importance of wellness. Wellness is important to maintain good health, to keep away most of the diseases, to maintain better quality of life, development of positive attitude, and to live a happy and longer life. So wellness is an overall well-being of an individual to keep away disease, creating positive attitude towards our lives and achieve the desired goals to lead a happy and fullest life. Experts had revealed that majority of the deaths are caused because of a lethargic lifestyle. Important benefit of wellness is the development of positive attitudes to make one's life fully satisfying. So let's know the components of wellness. The components of wellness are physical fitness, cardiovascular risk factor, health education, alcohol and drugs, smoking, tension and stress, proper nutrition, cancer prevention, spiritual well-being, safety and sexuality. So if we take care of these 11 components, we are going to enjoy a quality life and a life to the fullest. These 11 components we have to follow and our life will be the best. So let's learn in detail. The first component of wellness, physical fitness. A physically fit person seems to enjoy a healthy lifestyle. When we do a regular physical activity or exercise, then our immunity system becomes strong. We can keep away many diseases like heart problems, diabetics, blood pressure, etc. Physical fitness is an important component of wellness. The second component of wellness is cardiovascular risk factor. Nearly 50% of people die due to cardiovascular problems. Healthy lifestyles, proper risk factor management, and better health care can avoid cardiovascular problems. The main cardiovascular factors responsible for death are coronary heart diseases, heart attack, high blood pressure, etc. We can overcome this by proper risk factor management, by systematic and well-developed program of sports and fitness activities, and a healthy lifestyle to live the fullest life. The third component is health education. It spreads scientific knowledge and about prevention of disease and thus promoting good health. It spreads scientific knowledge about prevention of disease and promoting good health. Informs about harmful effects of alcohol, smoking, and lack of physical activity. It helps us to keep away many diseases by preventive measures. Now, during the pandemic times, the awareness of COVID-19 has been done regarding to know the causes and its prevention. Then this virus will not have been will not spread faster throughout the world. Awareness through newspapers, social media, seminars helps people to take preventive measures like frequent washing of hands, maintaining social distancing, wearing masks, etc. Hence, health education provides learning experiences which favorably influence habits, attitude, knowledge relating to individual, family, and community. The fourth factor is alcohol and drugs. Alcohol and drugs are the most destructive forms of addiction in our society. Causes liver problem, cancer, blood pressure, damages brain, etc. Addiction to alcohol and drugs destroys our wellness. We acquire sickness like liver problem, cancer, which may result into early death. So God has given us to live the fullest quality life. The fifth component of wellness is smoking. Smoking causes heart problems, blood pressure, premature death, etc. Smoking is another addiction which causes cardiovascular disease and is responsible for the premature deaths over the world. We should keep away from these vices. If smoking and chewing tobacco, it is not easy to give up. Smoking and chewing tobacco is not easy to give up. It requires sincere desire to do so. So say no to smoking and lead a happy life. Tension and stress. They can become a serious health hazard and put constant strain on your cardiovascular system. Stress and management is required. Responsibilities and pressure of our daily life are common source of tension and stress. If they are not managed properly, they can become a serious health hazard. Physical exercises and breathing techniques are useful for stress management, which can lead to lowering of muscular tensions and thus decreasing the stress. Extreme cases of stress leads to suicide tendencies, which could be avoided by diverting the mind towards a physical activity or entertainment activity, or expressing your problems to your counselor, parents, or a close friends for better stress management. Tension and stress are managed properly. If not managed properly, can lead to heart diseases like diabetic, etc., which in turn destroys our wellness. Another component of wellness is proper nutrition. Food should consist of all essential nutrients in addition to vitamins, minerals and water. Good diet helps to prevent various diseases like cancer, obesity, constipation, ulcer, etc. Good nutrition has a very close relationship to overall health and well-being of a human body. Avoid junk foods or fast food, soft drink and adulterated foods, which causes a lot of diseases like cancer, obesity, etc. The dietary requirements are 60 to 65% of the total requirements for the day should be obtained from carbohydrates, 15 to 20% from fats, and 10 to 15% from the proteins, in addition to vitamins, mineral and water. The eighth factor, the cancer prevention. About 25% of the deaths all over the world are caused due to cancer. The healthy lifestyle pattern can long way in fighting cancer. Eating home cooked food, avoiding junk food, soft drinks, alcohol and a good environment. Medical scientists are of the opinion that cancer is related to a person's lifestyle and environmental factors. What we eat and drink, where we work and play are closely associated with cancer. So avoid junk foods, use a healthy lifestyle, and health education can prevent cancer. The ninth component, spiritual well-being. Several research studies have reported a positive relationship among spiritual well-being, emotional well-being, and satisfaction with life and health. Wellness requires a proper balance between physical, social, mental, emotional, and spiritual well-being in order to enable a person to enjoy quality of life. The relationship between wellness and spirituality is significant. The 10th factor, the 10th component of wellness, personal safety and accident preventions are the important component of wellness. Follow all safety rules in order to avoid accidents. It is essential to take safety measures to avoid accidents which may lead to premature death. To ensure a total well-being of a person, safety measures should be followed. And the last, the sexuality. Sexually transmitted diseases are great health hazards in the world. AIDS, herpes, syphilis, etc. Some diseases can transmitted through sex with multiple partners. Sex education is imparted in school for prevention of diseases. In order to combat the problem, children in schools are being imparted sex education. Through sex education, they are familiar with all the ill effects of these diseases, and are also briefed about ways and means to prevent them. Respecting the opposite partner is a need of the hour.
So wellness is to improve the quality of life and increase our lifespan. One is to follow all the health rules and adopt a positive lifestyle. The difference between physical fitness and wellness: if an individual participates in developing fitness level through physical activity to enhance his strength, endurance, speed, agility, flexibility. However, if he smokes and consumes alcohol and suffers from high blood pressure, It may not be termed as a person with a positive lifestyle habits necessary for promotion better health. So, if we follow all the 11 components of wellness, we'll enjoy a life to the fullest and we'll lead a happy life. Thank you very much.